I request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have uploaded more video on many video on Raspberry Pi, Arduino, then Python programming, then some webinar, so that it can grow your career. So if you want to learn something from me, it is free, and you have to just click on this subscribe button, and all the video, it is very unique, and you will learn definitely many things from me. I uploaded mostly video on Raspberry Pi, mostly video on IoT, then Arduino. There are different types of project I have explained, and each project having the programming part. So please subscribe my channel, please support me, and please enhance your knowledge by watching my video. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can design and develop a Proteus simulation of industrial plant monitoring system project. So before start the project explanation, I would like to tell you the hardware implementation of the same project. You can see on the screen the thumbnail of that project, the industrial plant monitoring system on actual Arduino hardware. So if you want to implement the same project on actual hardware, you can watch that video. That video link given in the description. And if you want the simulation part of that project, you can watch the current video. Okay. So before start this project explanation, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. So you can see on the screen we have the temperature sensor, then we have the fan, then we have the LCD, GSM model, Arduino, and humidity. So humidity and temperature sensor continuously send the signal to the Arduino. Then Arduino will display the temperature and humidity on the LCD. Then if the temperature value is greater than 30 degrees Celsius, then automatically this fan start rotating, and message will be sent through the GSM model. Here you can see this message, fan is on because of high temperature. If the temperature is below 30 degree, then automatically this fan will stop rotating and message will stop sending. So this is the complete project idea. So this is the complete project flow. Now before start the project explanation, we will see the actual practical demonstration of the same project, so that you will get idea about what you will learn at the end of this video. So in this video we will see how to connect these different types of hardware with the Arduino by using Proteus 8.9 software. Also we will see the program part. So if you want to learn the complete thing, how to connect the hardware, what is the explanation of the program, please watch this complete video, so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. Okay, now we will see the practical demonstration of this project. So you can see on the screen the project is not running. So when I start the project, you will see the project name on the LCD and then humidity and temperature value. So right now I will decrease the temperature value below 30 degrees Celsius. Now I will run the project. You can see I am running the project. So industrial plant monitoring system, that is the project name present on the LCD. This is the first part. Now the next part is, you can see temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, humidity 82. So whatever the humidity value, you can see 82 value we have set on the humidity sensor. So let's say if you want to decrease the humidity value, you can use this arrow and you can decrease the value. So when you switch this to like degree Celsius, that means temperature value, and this RH means humidity value. Now I set to the RH by using this button, and humidity value I set to the 76. Now you can see humidity value is 76. So 76 should be displayed on the LCD, and then you can see temperature also I will decrease to the 25. So 76 and 25, this is the current temperature humidity value we set through the sensor. So wait for some second to set that value. So humidity set to the 76. Now temperature, wait for some second, the value should be 25. So you can see temperature value is 25, humidity value is 76. So whatever value we set through the sensor, humidity and temperature, that is continuously display on the LCD. Now we are increasing the temperature by 30 degrees Celsius by using this arrow. So you can see I am pressing this arrow, and temperature should be increased to the more than 30 degrees Celsius. So temperature is 32. So wait again some second, so that Arduino capture the temperature. So as soon as temperature 30, you can also focus on this motor. So fan is on because temperature is higher, message sent because temperature is more than 30. You can see message start sending here. 80 command starts sending one by one, that means message sending on that number. Fan is turned on because of temperature 32. You can see 32. Now wait for some second, and this fan will start rotating. You can see fan start rotating. So this is the now we increase the temperature. Now we will decrease the temperature so that fan stop rotating here. So now again decrease the temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. Now temperature is 28. Again wait for some second. Wait for some second that Arduino capture the 28 degrees Celsius temperature. Now you can see fan stop rotating because temperature 28, because you can see temperature 28, fan stop rotating. So this is the complete idea behind this project. I again repeat, if you want the hardware implementation of the same project, you can watch this video. This video link also given in the description. Okay, now we will see how to design this project on the Proteus software. So first of all, you require Proteus 8.9 software. I use Proteus 8.9 software. If it works on your another software, then well and good. If it not work, then you should use the Proteus 8.9 software. Second part is you require the Arduino software. You can see this Arduino software you require. How to install that Arduino software? So how to install that Arduino software, I already explained in my this video, accident and alcohol detection protest video. So if you don't have the Arduino software, this Arduino software in your laptop, please watch that video and try to install that Arduino software. Okay, now the next part, if you have the Proteus 8.9 and Arduino software, next part we require the GSM library. How to install the GSM library in your laptop, I will tell you right now. So first of all, you need to download this industrial plant monitoring Proteus simulation folder from my Google Drive link. The Google Drive link given in the description. Okay, once you download this folder, that may be in the zip file, so you have to unzip that file. Then you will get two folder, Arduino code and Proteus simulation. So go inside this Proteus simulation, you will find the Arduino library and GSM library for the Proteus. So how to install that library in your laptop, I will tell you. Just go to this GSM library folder. Again, you can see there is a three files. So you need to copy the three files. So copy the three files. Then go to the your C drive. C drive, then program 86, then labs and electronics, you can see labs and electronics, then Proteus 8, then data, then lib library, and here you can see whatever the library we copied, just paste that library here. I have already placed, so that it is showing the this message me at your end, it will copy and paste the GSM library here. With the same way you can install the Arduino library. Also you can see there is Arduino folder, Arduino library folder. Again go to that folder and you can see there is library folder. Copy these two files, Arduino two files you have to copy, and again go to the same path, C drive, Proteus 86, labs and electronics, Proteus 8 data library, and paste the Arduino library folder into your this path. So it will install the Proteus library for the Arduino and GSM module in your laptop. Okay, once you install the Arduino Proteus library, now open the Proteus software, Proteus 8.9 software, right click here and run as administrator, and click on yes button. Then wait for some second, your Proteus 8.9 software will be open. Then go to the new project. Then after that you can give the project name whatever you want here, and wherever you want to save your project, that part you can give here. Then click on next button. Then select this create schematic from the selected template. Click on next button. Select it, do not create the PCB layout. Click on next button. Here you select the no firmware project. Then click on next button and click on finish. Now you can see blank window will be open here. The first part is we have to load the Arduino file here. So go to the component mode. You can focus my arrow. Then go to the component mode at this side, component mode. Then click on P and type here Arduino. So once you type Arduino, you can see Arduino library will be open. We have to select the Arduino Uno. So type Arduino Uno. So once you type Arduino Uno, you can select this Arduino Uno and click on OK and place that Arduino Uno here. Okay, once you place the Arduino Uno, we have to give some default pin here. So go to the terminal mode, then click on default. So once you click on default pin, place one by one default pin in front of each pin. So you can see I am placing one by one pin in front of each pin here. So okay, then here also. Here also, and here also. After that you can select all this pin at a time, right click and rotate 180 degree. Then after that you can select again all this, just shift to the near to the Arduino. there should be one block gap between the two pins. You should not place that pin like this. You should place like this only. One block should be there gap. Then after that you can connect one by one pin like this. So one by one pin you can connect like this. One default pin here should be one default pin. Rotate 180 degree, then connect like this. Okay, then after that this pin also you can connect one by one like this. Okay, up till now we have connected the all default pin to the Arduino. Now next part is we have to give the name to this pin. So double click on the first pin. You can double click here and give your name RX, same name. Then give your name TX. Then give your name GPIO2, GPIO, GPIO2. So you can see GPIO2 I have given name to this pin. Then 3 number pin, double click here, give name GPIO3. Then 4 number pin, double click here, give name GPIO4. Then with the same name GPIO5, then GPIO6, then GPIO7, then GPIO8, then GPIO9, then GPIO10, then GPIO11, GPIO11, then GPIO12, then GPIO13. Okay, we have completed like this here. Then here you can see same A0, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay, we have completed this one. Ground pin should be connected to ground. So delete this and delete this VCC also. So select ground from the terminal mode. You can see terminal mode. Then ground, and ground pin should be connected to ground. Then 5 volt should be connected to 5 volt. So go to generator mode, click on DC and take one DC supply here and connect that. So this DC supply here and connect that DC supply to the 5 volt. Double click here and give your voltage 5. So in this way we complete the Arduino part. Now we will connect the LCD with the Arduino. Now we will connect the LCD with the Arduino. So how to connect the LCD with the Arduino? Again go to the component mode, then click on P and type here 16 cross 2. So once you type 16 cross 2, select this 16 cross 2 LCD. Click on OK and place that LCD here. Then after that you can see RW pin should be connected to ground first. So go to a terminal mode, then click on ground and place the ground here and connect that ground to ground. Then we require some default pin. So go to terminal mode, then click on default. Take one default pin, right click, rotate anti-clockwise, place that default pin in front of RS. Copy that default pin, right click, copy to clipboard and paste in front of enable. Same right click, paste in front of the D4, right click, paste in front of D5, right click, paste in front of D6, right click, paste in front of D7. Then connect the default pin one by one here. You can see connect the default pin one by one. Then you require the RS pin should be connected to GPIO2. So double click on this RS pin and give your name GPIO2. Click on OK. Then enable pin should be connected to GPIO3. So double click here and give your name GPIO3. Click on OK. Then after that D4 should be connected to GPIO4. So double click here and give your name GPIO4. Click OK. Then double click here and give your name GPIO 5. D5 should be connected to GPIO 5. Then D6 should be connected to GPIO 6. And D7 should be connected to GPIO 7. And click on OK. So in this way we complete the LCD with the Arduino connection. Okay, after that we will connect the GSM model with the Arduino. So how to connect GSM model, I will tell you. Just go to the component mode, then again click on P and type here GSM. So once you type GSM, you will find GSM 900D. Click on OK and place that GSM here. Right click on the GSM, rotate anti-clockwise. So this GSM will become here. Just shift here. Okay, like this. So this RX pin of the GSM, you can see this is the RxD pin of the GSM. So RxD pin should be connected to GPIO 11. So we require one default pin. Go to default terminal mode, click on default, place one default pin here and connect that default pin here and double click here, give your name GPIO 11 and click on OK. Then this TXD pin should be connected to terminal, serial terminal. So where you find serial terminal, here you can see this one, serial here inside this, and here you can see virtual terminal and place that virtual terminal here. Then TXD pin of virtual terminal should be connected to RxD pin, TXD pin of GSM should be connected to RxD pin of virtual terminal. So connect pin like this. Like this we have connected. Double click on this virtual terminal, make sure your baud rate should be 9600 and click on OK. Then after that you can double click on this GSM model, double click here, double click on the GSM model. Here you have to load the X file of the GSM model. So go to the folder, then go to my downloaded folder from my Google Drive link. There you will find one GSM folder. So go to that folder, Arduino, then this one industrial plant, and here's Proteus Simulation GSM library. So go to inside this folder, you will find hex file. Click on this hex file, click on open and click on OK. So in this way we complete the GSM part LCD and so in this way we complete the GSM LCD and Arduino connection. Now we will connect the temperature sensor and humidity sensor with the Arduino. So how to connect the temperature and humidity? So first go to the component mode, click on P and type here LM35. So once you type LM35, you will find this LM35. Click on OK and place that LM35 here. So after that, first third pin should be connected to ground. So go to terminal mode, then click on ground and place the ground here. Then connect the ground to ground. This pin should be connected to ground. Then after that, first pin should be connected to VCC. So go to the generator mode, click on DC supply and place the DC supply here. Connect the DC supply here. Double click on the DC supply and give a voltage 5. Then click on OK. Then after that, default pin should be connected to default pin. So go to terminal mode, click on default and 2 number pin should be connected to default pin. Right click here, rotate 180 degree, 180 degree, right click and rotate 180 degree and connect that pin to here. Now this default pin of LM35 should be connected to Arduino A0. So double click on this default pin and type here A0. So you can see in this way we complete the LM35 connection with the Arduino with the LCD. Now the next part is we have to connect the DHT11 sensor. So just go to the component mode again, click on P and type here DHT11. So once you type DHT11, you will find this sensor. Click on OK and place that sensor here. Then after that, DHT11 again VCC should be connected to VCC. So go to generated mode, click on DC supply and place that VCC here and connect that VCC to VCC. Then after that, double click on this power supply, give your voltage 5, click on OK. Data pin should be connected to terminal mode, default and place the default pin should be here. Data pin should be connected to here. Ground pin should be connected to ground. So again terminal mode, click on ground and place that ground here and connect that ground to ground. Again, so this data pin should be connected to Arduino GPIO 9 number pin. So double click on this data pin from the DHT11 and give your name GPIO 9 and click on OK. So in this way we completed the LM35 DHT11 Arduino and LCD part. Now the next only module remaining is fan module. So go to component mode, then click on P and type here relay. So once you type relay, you will find this animated relay. Click on OK and place that relay here. Then after that double click on this relay, and here voltage component value should be changed to the 5 volt. Now we require one DC motor here, so go to again component mode, then click on P and type here DC motor. So animated DC motor, you can select any one, click on OK. You can see simple DC motor and place the DC motor here. One pin of DC motor should be connected to here. Okay, next pin of DC motor should be connected to VCC. So go to the generator mode, click on DC and place the DC supply here and connect that pin to the here. Sorry, one pin of DC motor should be connected to this pin. Okay, this pin, not this pin. Okay, this pin should be connected to VCC. Double click on this VCC supply and click on 5 volt here and click on OK. Then after that this pin should be connected to ground. So go to terminal mode, click on ground and place one ground here and connect that ground to ground. Then relay pin should be also connected to ground. So connect one ground here, take ground. This ground should be connected to ground. Then this relay pin should be connected to default pin. So go to terminal mode, click on default and place the default pin here and connect that default pin to here. Then after that this default pin should be connected to Arduino GPIO 8 number pin. So double click here and give your name GPIO 8 and click on OK. So now in this way we complete the all our circuit part. You can see we connected the almost all the hardware. Now only part you can see I have given the square box to the here. So how to give the square box I will tell you. So just go to the square box and click on pin and then you can draw the square box wherever you want to draw. Then if you want to give the name here, just go to the A and click on P and give the name here like fan. Then you can increase the size also like this. Click on OK. If you want to change the place, just go to this arrow selection mode, select this and you can drag and drop here. So in this way we complete the circuit part. Now we will test our circuit whether it's working or not. So you have to load the hex file into this Arduino. So how to load the hex file into Arduino I will tell you. Okay, now we will see how to load the hex file into Arduino. So first of all you have to go to the downloaded folder from my link. Again this one is downloaded folder and here you will find there is a code, Arduino code. So go to inside that file, you have to open that code by double click here, or you can just go to the Arduino software like this, Arduino software here. Okay, then go to the file, then click on open and go to that path. So that path is this one, Arduino code, double and select this one, Arduino code, click on open and you can see program will be open. Now here you can see DST11 sensor, there is a hex file. You have to install this DST11 library in your Arduino. So how to install this library I have already explained in my this video. Already explained in my this video, industrial pan monitoring and hardware explanation. In the hardware explanation there is a one part, there is a programming explanation chapter. So you have to watch that chapter so that you will get idea about each and every line of program. Also you will get idea about how to install this library in your Arduino. So very important, if you find error regarding this is not compiling, that means your DST library is missing, and how to install that library I have already explained in my this video. Please watch that video if you don't have the DST library in your laptop. So just click on this verify button now. So once you have the library, there is no error, then you will find compilation successful here. Okay, once the compilation done successful, that means everything is okay. Then at the end you will find the X file path. You can see at the end here you can see program. This is my X file path. You can see X file path is here. So this is the X file we have to load into Arduino. So copy this path till here, then go to the folder and paste that path here. Then you can see remove one arrow / arrow from here. So remove one / arrow, then press enter, then you will find hex file here. So copy this path again, then go to your Proteus simulation, what we have done here. Okay, Proteus simulation here, double click is on Arduino, click on folder and paste that path here and click on enter. Then after that hex file, select this hex file, click on open and click on OK. Then after that just click on this run button. So if everything is okay, then your project start working. You can see project start working successfully. That means whatever we have done is working perfectly. Okay, now we completed this circuit. Now if you want my ready-made simulation, this simulation, how to open that ready-made simulation, I will tell you. So part first part you have to open the Proteus software, Proteus 8.9. So if you don't want to create project by yourself, you can directly use my ready-made simulation. The ready-made simulation also available in the Google Drive link given in the description. So just click on this open project. Then after that go to the downloaded folder. So this is the downloaded folder, and here you will find the Proteus simulation file. Select this and go to inside this industrial plant monitoring Proteus project. Click on open. Then after that, wait for some second, it will open. Then after that you can double click on this GSM model and load the hex file of the GSM model and click on open and double click here and load the Arduino hex file. How to find the Arduino hex file I already told you. So click on hex file and select this, open, and click on OK, and then just click on run button. Then ready-made simulation start working. So in this way you can use my ready-made simulation. So if you like my content, please click on like button. Please support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video.